update from Queen Emma no arrest and the bill ayede amano sisisiano otimi ko Germany no kokofhe ne ma na busua chopa bi ene koso anase Queen Emma wono ankasa ne modern bobi eno de anya ne tie didim akokopiem ewo Germany biem aha eguso Daily Gossip TV and no first time I mess up so be subscribe we are abo homode no follow ye or other social media platforms you know so na bibia enya kama emfa emayen abusua team liga edin komo sanso na timodo Bronii so edin komo one platform so na abusua according to enkomo ekoso na kire say in fact Queen Emma koko PM back ewo Germany no ayese celebrations bi ekoso first na obehwa na owoga na hanom no na team liga afododo na paniers no omo so TikTok live but okodu honom no almost so life gidi pa but ebisu kiremu a in fact asem no enwui ekonkon ho there is no way so mbe celebrate way enye celebration bi a woso moye because omuwi ni hwe e woso moto omobo ase na omobo mpaye se legal decisions so mu taking na no proceedings bia no omoye wie na fe Queen Emma enye ntididim kra abusunya agidi ananyi nkomodo do na e na akoso ye update abaye Queen Emma issue no yentie bi ne yemfamra
woma ayayem sese nyankopaa ya adumo nya lawyer ni watimi aya meyemo etimi abelu no wakọ se kwa wakohwe woma and you they shouldn't even make no noise about this is not celebration, this is a time to pray. I was so mo bompaye so whatever illegal process no and mesne content na girl no onya ne fa hodie no onkwonkwota ne baby but to celebrate, this is not victory. It's not victory at all. Yana media when I me call when I say metietita yana ya ewo mi mu na me person ba beka bibi kakra. We shouldn't celebrate at all. Me Queen Emma ne nkrofo na right and can rather I will be quiet na yenhwe de nyankopon beye ye mompa ye ne yenhwe de nyankopon be they say am fast start atwetwetwe cameras say o manu just because Queen Emma ko back to ne maho. This is not the right time to do it. We all like I said, we all have way to our own opinion, and this is my opinion. Adepa and that's me de busia for me da mo na mase.
Okay, Mafia. No, it's a question, my Mafia. Mafia, on time.
Yeah, sorry.
Mafia. I didn't talk about all the watch or be a miss question anyway, because that's a be easy. We are silent.
Yeah,
that's it. But now one doing so. Cake,
do me so.
And the person is submission original made until it's hard so we're finding loopholes no go answer question. I think she was
yeah. Auntie Miko.
Yeah, cake pasta.
Oh, Mama Cash will be to Kasa.
Mama Cash kasa.
Oh, we are Mama Cash.
Genune so de ne kasa Mama Cash.
Adiba. Asem no kra uka entu sebio. Sana mukae mimi nyechele mesi mama kosia certificate no onibi certificate no onibi me because of certificate akaye mia ta mi no be fa de ban na o de ejina kasu edi chire no akayemia aka certificate mum na mbeye no sa se Ghana court se mi nibi mi diaba onu na ekita mi want to me ye onu uchita for muso de amusa dentine kaso nibi adentine kase asɛm wei wakasa mo te hɔ a modwene mo te hɔ a mo sɛ asɛm wei modwene wɔ mo amomo sɛ aka mame wei yɛ di n'akyi a aka wadeɛ wei ade nti na ɔba Ghana wɔn bɛpuruvu kyerɛ Ghana man ne nyina sɛ mewɔ bi sisi na ɔmo sisi mi ɛndeɛ wɔn bɛyɛ ukunu udofo ewu na ya after all utamfo kropo ewu a anawo ni obi won to kwakra ewu a ehaw ebeka o papa no beka se nipa oni numa de anajo grope podi eba baku mienu miensa on to me beka chire se daddy bye. Ubao mu kurapa beta ubao mu chi. Bebiana ubao betranu trau mu chen. Ubao mu swa no pipa mu eni so ema omu. Ni ngina want to me aye. But to me ba bejira kaso. Eno su kirese. Enu su kyerɛ sɛ woka na obi sɛ adɛnti na ɛka sɛ wonni bia ka tɛta sɛ yɛmi a aka nkɔfoɔ bia sɔde sɛ menni bi a aka mede ba ɔmo si kɔfa wei ba wakɔfa wei bra wo si kɔfa wei bra wakɔfa wei bra na George no so ɔho sɛ so asɛm no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ ne tiɛ ne ntiasɛ nya dwuma na obi akɔnyɛ wei mu mienu mu koye kunano mu mienu mu koye wa beye ediembio second akamini mwa akasemwe akamayi free Ghana da because me nim say Ghana judges no omunye anukorefo Ghana judges no mini no yandi ye no mu yadi ni ye baby anomo de kwan no mu de mi fa so meni gye ho akamiri asɛm no kɔ German law mu akapil we ni nyina de na mi ko file ni nyina kami judge mi di ko Germany akomiko yi Germany de almost court oni ho na mi bisamu court oni Germany omo ko court wo Germany adena mo ha ya adwuni sa mo ma ya sonti asem second one nkofo no mo celebrity mo kokone mo kakanye fatu ho ye kokune mo kakano mo for them station bebre gunu mo sa sorry bio aho mo nim die na mo ye mo mbe fre mo kakasan mo koko why time wo ho time beba mo nua wo problem mo wonya free problem mo chese umwa yeso ni bao muti no muhu ni mobo after all oyo bata akora mo ni mbebia mo situation se ne getsia enti omu yeye omu kasaye lawyer no kasaye onko hie ni bao mu ne time no so a wombra court no eno na mo jubility esa stati atem didi anyway munim emanim se wa free a die na obeye se okay enu die won tran Germany ho omu friend quarter no wamba se fiti enra no beduye akabadista akawaso camera sini nisu akani station no akastati eya juma eneni ngina akani station ya stati ya juma se she mu Ghana for me ka say my bedroom in Germany mi ba bio akanya mu krapo na mbe celebrate no enu abe celebrate ni ho Sɛ mo Ghanafoɔ me ma ba me Germany me ba bio o me so camera e obia nim sɛ mo deɛ as beginning no na mo ani agye asase na mo su ebe sase bio me di manuase ene de me ni bebre beka because nkofo mo ada me nya ni o mo ene ntafo from kasawai so dia na mo kasa gbogbo obi kasa na mo si question na mo be bisa no question be bisa no question obi se judge no say na judge no e di urodi e to ogina no so enu so problem asembe kurani
Mama Cash worry kabika ho worry
asembe kurani asembe kurani yenyina ye kasa o ye nkosuku enti nyame adom sese asem no judge no ekaye de eka obrofo mu a no mo de ye kasa na ebetiase no ebe kyerɛkyerɛ ya ase why na yeso ya ye mugufuo mu na yeso ya ho de na ekɔ to munkoda o
mitimi kasa na ana ai slang we inkwa mbe kasa me mute ana
mimi ye slang mi ye slang nye slang mimi ye slang nye slang
Mama Cash na say slang idi obi slang idi obi we share comment section we dey connect comment section say at the purpose of the division
obia ni mi
Mama Cash so
obia ni ho no ni mi so wo de wo ni mi obia ni mi eti mi kasa so ye o mo de o mo ni jimi ho o mo ni say me cut the truth
way what waka wo de awie
truth mo kwa side de ye truth on
truth be no waka wa wi ade no tu ho so kaso bi ankasa you tu na me nkaka kra bi kwa me kasa
ma jimi tu mi ko se ma mi tu ma jimi tu so dada
for two no dem you tu ho so wa wi
okay what happened to me?
Oh, I drew me so Anna.
Okay, no problem.
Mama Cash patrol me to where. I was your former chairman now. Me kasa anya tintin bia. Me the certificate no was na maker. See court verdict now on the buy no. Say no ma me certificate a. Enko mbeka o verdict no. Ena verdict no asma work and say they couldn't authenticate it. It's different from say ye kase oni certificate no and say ye kase certificate ni fake. Say fake ya enka omo best to verdict no. Enti munya say mo kase oni certificate bia what the koye na gini anye e fake ya nkama me kwa no betima kire no. Wo reason say wo be gidi o de o gi tuma jatum. But nipa no ni certificate a on so le court so certificate. Ana say fake nso anka verdict be state no. Enti me hu de enti a nipa bi mu no da bia mo pese mo ya ma no yes ase certificate ni fake.
Brake ne eye nwanwa wasem yi say omo ti abrochire ha e na omo ka say ye fake no knowing very well say
the consequences
how it mean na ha enye bibia fake crofo no omo ka say ye fake no me say abrochire ha no omo they know the consequences of doing that. So I do not understand omo reason for doing that because my men no omo share them pen asem if brake
meet me bambi
patrol e bi untimi mem
yeah sorry
on patrol brem o hini brem
yeah me nua penny Richard Mitchell I hope so here pa and Richard
When me time na ode kasa on tu Richard ode uniform why
asale ma hwehwe o ma frɛ wa wo mfa
my meaning I'm Uganda ne Kenya, se masama back to Germany.
Wafre.
I would Rebecca said outdoor.
Yeah, you number back on me, na me know what you pa, but what they are free.
Mate, that's it. Okay, 24 days can match ya we are also be near me bo hwa I say the 2 years na ye corner according to the no cream. Yedi kan. So we are Germany. Na what is Germany ha? Na ko Ghana na so ku sebi ko ka baby a. We are Germany this year. And waka baby. So now what worry and as our ma e Germany ha. Dear Germany o yire na o ha na waka chire no. The obey ne se obekọ Ghana embassy. No akobo Ghana embassy for amane ya say. Me kunu we Germany. Waba ha beka baby. Enu nti no me pasa mo bo ame na ho administrative work we so ye bia no. Yeah. Abana sa anu a German embassy no a etimi so ne manum. Na wa prepare bibia se de adna begu akon le se de a se bi efunu no se de be se no etori bi omutimi gusa yensi ni bana wo Ghana ho na se yemfa na mra. Se yemfa mra Germany nso so a eno so no who is going to bear the cost. One ebe administration no ne ho nka ho. Ni na otimi ya. Se oba no so ni sika na se ema no so ni sika. Omo social department no it me fasa eka no. All this process there. Se bi efunu no be babeka. Na de share na se ni family for enzem. In that case no. Ya na your friends say didi kan yire no waka actually no. Ono na the first person responsible. Anzana so no ni ho a ne man no aba. So ne man ni ho a na go back go down to ebia ne aunt no ho nka ho. Anya sa there be na very very difficult say ubitmenya the first access to Ifrum. Now let's look at here. So warrior from how warrior German na so warrior oguta marriage certificate. With that marriage certificate no so we ran on book ra woko or more authorities no how much from it cost just 25 euros. So to get an original marriage certificate no and a difficult matter. It is a unya sa marriage certificate no. Na say empo pasa who dealing with something na say Ghana no. Because of court justice system no you just have to report the whole case to the German embassy. German embassy for someone and one will be able to ama what you deserve and you get it. So in that normally needed a big deal. So young fans is in the panel back on your Ghana ni back on your Germany. Do I Ghana ni no point and walk a baby? Okay, baby no. When him in the panel, him say be a warren or mommy, you know. Traditionally no and any big deal bia because this is the first time I bear my worry mom you know and that's what the mom you know next year. So the mom you know next year and a Japanese issue abemwa. Na say no crest or moon pa next year na family no any more. Asam the bar any big deal because once a year no say ni parents or more account for idea is in say who we are. Ifunu no enye wo ba no dia te se dia brofo dia ne tie no ifunu no nya wo dia ifunu no ye be ma no family members abusuan e dia nti abusuan no ene be decide ye ifunu no ye mfa no nye de se wo ye kunani a wo ko no akosre every abusuan ho se e bia me kunu anam ne tie all those so munim wo kunu me kunu anam ne tie asem se na esi nti Muslim ebusuan mo nje bi eda ho biara no e pancho mo van du menim na mesu mi hu masade na meye nti odi adesede no to monim a almost be pave way na ma na ono so no edu ayie no anaze na wodweda na ayie na onso akwakoye de e fata ayie na wo akwakoye na ebe ebusuan beti ho a ebeti asese wo yekunani no eno na ye confirmation of your former marriage na ne ba no. Nti eba ne sa no a eno so no di unya koye sa ne wie ne dru ajapade nche ne ho nka ho so a eno no esa ebe ya dance di ema okra ma utim di court e ko enso kudi bem e wo ho So that is so case of born yamani na to fa. Sa na normal and the best way no ekono. And to kwa bie ni mo yesa eba. Ye wo aware bebre ye wo Ghana ekọ ya. Kuna for mutimi ko hia ba mienu miansa. And so in the end no everything solved very okay. So I didn't know in this case no. And yamana so unnecessarily complicated that, sir. I don't know. Minim kwambuna me me fa binka ho. I will leave my words as it is. So them stitch them. So there you be pave way for further discussions. Madam Asi.
Also for being count, but me push you more the BB account. In your own knowledge, you know. About the court verdict, you know, or cite with the court and say new ruling here right or any comments be what verdict na judge in the Babontin.
But a court no my verdict no say.
One day dear, so what dear and meet him. Okay, I say both of them traditional marriage, you know, or both of them need your wife.
Exactly. They said they must make her hair. So,
would you call verdict in it?
So, of course, was it both also court verdict? Because you na your wife, whereby your court to know who say, indeed, you na asset na be a woman. One say, traditionally, no, the fact is that we need panatra. Na mawo mano. Who cramp and nipa remain your friends, your wife.
Okay.
Traditionally. Until say after nipa death no 1 year beso.
Okay.
Na abusuano asa uti. No maka say there. Wo ho kwan say utime ko bi apaso ko bia. That is our tradition. I can't tradition. It is a court no kasa onye mistake bia. So now no se wono oba aban mu a emra mu a eye nipa no wa brochire no eya brochire mra so kasa wo free o pretty from a brochire e dia ba ha sa ye ya brochire mra na ye de ti ha no ene Ghana mra ne nko no mo se de sitie.
Okay.
Me no me hwe ne ma na me hwe no on e kwan be so ne befa so a ye bitimenya adesuade bi afri mu so on za de we no a bit happy to sue every make my say 90% of Omwa a year Ghana before worry no ha because also be Germany and also UK and also US wako run people so now do Ghana no e ho na ko wi wa brabo we sit down where ya japade na semato ba ko free ba ko ni free mu no a kwan be so na abeva so a obetimi approve say indeed me no na me ni permanent ho ankasa either family members no any be prove and as family members no any o certificate abenye fra bro to say indeed no ma ware ho na me buy. That is the two things and answer oma.
Okay, as I remember this question semi wali Germany here metima ko register metias ye both of us be Ghana for Tio, both of us Ghana for. Ena yabenya ebia yabewale wo Germany here. See a word German passport no yebetima sa ko Ghana ko register star marriage na wo Ghana.
There be ultimate because you are not a Ghanaian. Oh yeah German, mumiru nyamu ya German for. Ena ma ware wo German. The Germany na ma ware no. It go everywhere bi ambe ko biar ma ware. What does it?
Matthias, on say for example, Fanny say my can say be ye Germany for but ye kotra Ghana. Ye kotra Ghana ye betima register your marriage in Ghana with the German marriage certificate no.
No, there is no need because a difference in CISA because my more example. See what German for be a omo tutu ko your friends in Latin America, Argentina and one can home moto. Oma ware. What worry?
Top sports.
It is a war.
Me the case yeah example mano.
Okay, yeah, me pese you share dey wa ya. Me
Me kunu ya ware free Ghana. ye worry 6 years and say ye to aba America. Ye ba ha ya be register hwe. Because forms na ye feel ye bibia na ye feel ye ni kire say ya worry. And na ye feel forms wo mu bisa marriage certificate ya ye photocopy di attach ho. Ye mbe worry wa ha. Ye nko register bibia, but in the system we are married. Period.
Say enwa na meka yan na meboa. Enwa na meka yi. Say you don't need ade a normally na amanfo no etaye no say. So worry wo Ghana. And the emphasis say kasa no a very echen hard na. Oba ultimate translation. No must you to know to a hard no. That's all. So Zani ana the majority no more. But apart from no. Aware aware. Inti se wo no wa be ware wa ha. Na se wo your friend say German certificate, marriage certificate wa. You just have to prove the German certificate in originality.
Asali, because Madam Fubi Mikojano wo immigration baby. Near coil omo ya ni papers ni omo ka say omo nko onko register na Ghana married no wa ha baby a register married though what the Ghana married na ba ho ma accept as immigration but omo ka chere ni say on fan ko ho baby a register na onko register oni ni kuru na wale on what are you going to tell me about that?
Baby enye register in form of sebia register de o ya na ahanom mpa so mo kire on say womo womu say what the documents number or mo nye document ni ntum I say documents ni de all right o but womo do womo de dom ho no dom kru wa boss suspect won pass obetwa ma house ade na ye jani o enti say wo free say jani o di akone womo na womo sa enhwem happy to so many marriages ebi wo womo feel womo nya feeling say aware na mo ware na bia na yiwuro. So, into musa, but under normal circumstances, no, any case of free Ghana baha, a different law, and I would have withdrew her. In this all passenger man for no insuha, one automatically no, what the because any power a mehokan ye, ya warrior free Ghana, saying that necessary because of the visa process, no. Oh, and nothing I would become, and common and can form more. But one far enter into the system no more unya visa. So in the process of getting your visa no no more year or more cross checking na into baby almost so say no and maybe might not run really well no more busa further documents be confirm what you no. That is all what they do.
Okay, me that's it.
I'm say a lot of people know so the attestation and I say I just say all the document be through Chrome the cover from who say fake. Hello.
There be any no who say fake.
No, me person just say assume say even say Europe for instance. Say if we Ghana now will be go school now do certificate bar. They will always tell you to go and attest it.
Yes. Yeah.
To make it once and it obedient me letter obey me I don't know crowd aba so na or the cover system more and sanity. That's why they will always ask you to go and legalize it and bring it.
The Oka say technically Oka say legalize it and bring it wrong technically. Because already say what worried that now said and I said documents are there but say if the authorities were automatically it is legalized.
No, say to say be they make an ontimacio. Okuta marriage certificate yes from authorities so be as a court na ya court seal be also. But on make catch for Community of Foreign Affairs to get a paper attached to that marriage certificate to make it valid. Is that not it?
And I mentioned maybe say me wo nyama e ho nyum mani bi ka madwuma ho ameye enti na me catch that was say normally no enya said the wode ba no na ye invalid na wo mo no e paso mo fefe ni ementi mu no a mo paso on beje wodi believe on say legality does not go with belief. But what show no free say on paso bet you dia. I don't know why was yeah tete. Because Bazam to say without that attestation no crime bono, it is still valid. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. So more on say when it's a I don't think we are talking about GDO. Yes, Ramo. GDA any knowledge. Of course. That Richard I say of course yeah fair. But that is that above no. Me bajo and I may just say so wofa due process now the bibia be do her we are your master dear say as or mojudi say a bibia ye genuine because what for the genuine way nanso so enam enipa dasani omunim say legal things no sometimes no yetimi to amani ye so nti wono no o use no psychology and what do afa sa atete no. Yes, of course. Say a nothing a do some now cover lawyer. Na lawyer no and so at the adena court. Sometimes no bra.
So no very good, yeah. Thank you.
It's no nothing our rise over as a over cover lawyer. Sometimes the lawyer no try 1, 2, 3 1, 2 letters grab no muja manekati omuwase. Because yeah, na institutions or more upper departments are almost all lawyers or institution no. And they say almost a challenge you or more equals that level.
Hard ways, and I know one will say be a could do to yeah. Okay.
No much or much no matter the atom. Sanat here. I had just your friend say psychology.
Psychology or person what this table keke.
The be or person will prove which and say indeed unimo right.
Okay.
And nothing and never be blow one. If you make us ye Ghanaians no. The entity any of them are free fee bahano. Bibi any me pacho. Oh, Mr. O. Banyan abro footie.
Okay.
Bronii in kame pacho. Bronii the honor person who say unimo right. So it is your right to go for it.
Okay, Asale, Matthew was here. Asale, you are making point that just say even they can argue with you, but it is your bosom to prove to them how they are buying your original.
Sir, me program be program na me you know. Na it is na a fa a friend say about wo ho. Wo na me pasa me drum say generation na here ba no. You move be nya ho kwakoto baby kwa be ma stand for politics. But omuni mo right. Politicians no catch them and say, as an individual, it is your right to go for information. And yet the opposite side in the right of the information, but it is your right. It's your right.
Okay. Asale, okay. Thank you. Miami in Casanigina. Watching a frame. What is also one?
No Hamburg.
Now Hamburg not if the why?
Metro. Say the same number one.
Yeah, I'm a number that yeah.
At the family what question? Tina me keep you requesting to come back. Me pacho me top spot.
Oh, okay. Pacho go ahead.
Yeah. Me pacho. I think you're in Germany. You know, make us at same way. No, me I am confused, but I just wanted a little clarification. Me jawa right? Nana me kunu me ex-husband no pay.
Said you want to make colleague guy.
No, because it's because we can about
knowledge
Germany.
about that.
Yes, and no, it's a question. If you don't have an answer, that's fine. I just me pacho. Yeah, me pacho. Now yeah, me ex-husband call your friend say records so kwa your marriage certificate, right? Oko no what they gave him oko no the man on the year when we got married and when we got divorced. So it was all on one thing. It wasn't a separate marriage certificate and a separate divorce. It was the the time na you worry no time na you die no. Into that was what they gave to him, but at the crown no the kwakwa no. Into no na me busa say is there ways to bia mama akosia say wa of course say kwakwa je marry the your friend said the original marriage certificate no when ya and to be almost both marriage certificate and divorce ni na man into no ntimi into is there a possibility say bia onya the original marriage certificate on its own?
No, make a just say normally. Hey, Miriam submission from beginning. Make I say, room ha, warrior, ujinda computer so. Warrior, ya ma certificate no. You could tell. There are instructions baby all qua you show it. Case die. Sa certificate no. I bet down who are copying so be who react. O German react at home. Sana handle administration it here. And as a woman who's a baby, and I'm so about apply for a free veteran renter. And no, yeah, reference to kind of pension for Kunani. So, in the no, quite, I'm so cool. And I'm so now a woman and it's ya my warrantino. Papa no grandpa bushing for community who has and be a car. A woman a true papa now, or baron a woman first. It's from there on in your process, no be receive a wound certificate. No, a wound certificate and one be your friend say, your friend, our no every year no certificate so abroad.
Divorce certificate, automatic divorce certificate.
Some me pass me can entry. And see, I know now be failure to her because we are then I'll be here along your life. And see, sad now what failure they are to her. And as a way I don't pukra anytime I will be an oko one baby I'll call warrior one on the boss on the bo document amount. I be stated clearly. Ada mo warrior. Ada mujaye and as ada ukunu ye bibia wo paper no and the paper no valid. It is so the emphasis say akwaje sa paper we now the court Ghana court wa normally no so what the okofa lawyer wo Ghana na say lawyer and the court na accept ya who chances so with my German embassy ho because we are Germany they will fight for you. German for one kasa wo heavy lawyers are or more Ghana wa asem we had near one so until you don't have problem and nothing ma wo sa German book with who near kase no but what you say
but my question was that is there a possibility say pia omo ye divorced enti na ontimi nya your omuka so nkonkofa your friend say the original, maybe she had the original but for some whatever reason no
my answer me say omo ye divorce crambo na anytime bia which my co office wakwaje your friend say copy another original another original bia which my boma no
of the marriage certificate to pay alone
and you need marriage certificate to pay alone whilst
okay, that answers my questions. Thank you. That answers my question. Okay.
Pacho, me to be a question. Pacho, Young Ghana, your certificate, no. Na original signatures na you sign here, any witnesses no. And then na omode maye. And no, a very colorful say green be them thing. Mpacho asemi see here no. And ma bebre about TikTok. The omo marriage certificate be I did not quite say receipt be no. I said then and to say ye no cry and original signatures be na so. Mpacho wuna say why your programs be no. Have you come across say Bibisa or what now say it was just a TikTok talk?
I had no marriage certificate there. A common paper or more the stamp position. And a nipa no or no new Jina warrior na same bin or no a din or so once more warrior for once or so. Yeah, or a nipa authorities for number on was hands here. That's all. And you get it be
asale me wali Spain no. Now wali ya said you can omube mau it's an ordinary paper sheet.
Yes.
But omu wo pipe be a friend the libre of the familia. Or no ye emeba inti libre de familia no na mo wa mo medi kom onu nya marriage certificate. So inti the libre of familia ne de me divorce sa wale no. But still sa book ne wa ha.
Say another familiar book no. Another familiar book.
Inti sa mo wa onu ne ya tworo se bia ekura we ye woni say bia mo mane term ye de won kura no ya stamp on so ye very important but any marriage certificate.
But see here, family book is not automatic marriage certificate. It is not.
Okay. Yeah. Top spots. Me patcho also Germany. Also
Germany, yeah.
Oh, Germany. Okay. Now, patcho now see program is better now. Patcho also why here patcho.
Oh, patcho. Oh, you can see bia bacho. Oh,
yeah, no quarter now, baby. Yeah, I mean, I just want to know.
I saw it before Mukakre. Why?
Oh, okay, Matthias. Because they tell me bisa na what can't same be. But I think I did not really pay attention. But they better na me fear bisa. Me fear question I will bisa na. As a man, my dear boss to say and come because so as I said I mean team. Now say. Okay, go ahead.
The own patch of us.
Oh, patch of the casa now okay be. The casa.
The me can in side issue with your friend is a loom ban in a wives, no. Normally, this is not the case. Your friend is I didn't so heavy in discussion, no. Because there are people who are almost tetra, almost past at any yakase, and a yakase. Oh, Nanka and America's under normal circumstances, no. This is not the first time I bear my alpha mom, you know, and as I worry mom, you know, and as some relationship to a mom, you know, I ended this way. Bibri is you Ghana. Bibri is only now so quick for. Bibri because of what it drew almost solve one problem easily with the families, you know. And see, when you big case, be a
certificate in that aspect, and I'm person because I heard you talking about. You know how marriage certificate is issued and how it's ended. It will be should be what?
Warrior. Moko or more authorities for Moko now more domunsa or more bishras now. San mecano. We are handle certificate now. You could tell. Bear my one idea or bow one idea, Nina, you know, will be our one idea. So say in our Germany about on
that certificate it is I say there's going to be signatures of witnesses and signatures
Yeah.
of copies, but what can be of the couples? But what can be
authorities no. Yeah, na say on say ha no mo baby a friend standards amt. Inti eno hormone bia me fancy location of authorization. Administratively. Inti oko ho wi ha munya matena ase. Ye busa manu asem. Nim ubefa nipa kakra bia ka mo ho. Na nipa na ba no abewidi ho emra wo aware no mu nyina kyerɛ mo. Simple no abusa motum ho ase here for ring nation no one ka ho wi a already o ma prepare certificate ni nya ho. Omu wi a na nipa na ono ofri authority for no mu a obaye no. Wono na be sign document no certificate na ase. Ba mudin wo so aware for no mudin wo so. Into was say we are what do we the man what do we copy a man because mo ye a marriage couple na afi ekutamo. Eho ena say nyame man master mu ba ko efri mu a.
Me bisa o sa marriage say a marriage certificate aware for G editor mo dem no. Are you telling me say signatures of couples and then witnesses na e wo so ana e na mpaso me bisa o.
No, a signature of the authorities no. Sa authority na authoritative.
Okay, okay, Matthias, okay. Because I heard you said there's going to be signatures of couples.
No, we say witness. The dean was so. And our reform you know so. Or most of dean was so. And papa no or no free authority one or no buy na or best sign.
Omudi or dear so.
Marriage certificate no.
Certificate.
Aye. In this marriage certificate.
The marriage certificate, you don't know omode befi ba me say bisa wase ye ne de omo signatures any sweet ana.
Me repeat me hosa marriage certificate.
And the difference wo edin any signature. Ya churo wo din be signature ni so.
Nipa koni di okay, I get it. Okay.
Right.
Witness din was so. A couple's needing was so, but signatures the authorities need for
them. Ba ko pen the best sign.
A best sign, so what yes.
Authority no. One of the best sign because document ni for no one ever. Into was sign man no the stamp is no at all say adene efi meme or no authority for no one ever.
Matthias. Okay, Matthias. After you moving forward, me say na what can be say marriage certificate no say obi jai kra na wo kɔ no na so pe copy a still me print am and patch okay be bisa
so 25 euros near print am.
Even if you are divorced it me print marriage certificate man
we divorce na say your friend say omunim say we divorce within a divorce date any na was so into mo print one certificate na ma so one certificate number your document. Ya address come am ware ye anytime amuja ware. That was.
And they say okay, they say no a divorce certificate.
Yes, of course. Yes.
You know, your friend divorce, your friend marriage certificate. Okay, I get it.
And it's that one divorce we into pe document that just say unya ware situation mo.
Okay, Matthias. And I was baby say obi wusu so a no so no. Ahono so can be na wo ka bibi
their certificate who is a mumu ba kon e ka ba bia enka Ghana dia anko abusuafo na be ko bo mo mane but especially I can vo mu but chrome had say obi mumu ba ko ka ba bi say pa de waka eche no a ono ya warefo no bia papa no anaza maame no wo no ene ye be contact no first. O maame nuo wo ahwan wabusuafo obi encounter e wa ha the system se maame na anase papa no emu ba ko nso ni hobi wa na asane ko ema ne so se wuni ma na asane ko ye friends e bia wo aunts anase family member bi so sa na working
for the contact Hey, for the contact, and I have a contact on.
Oh, they're going to do me TikToks on your young patcho. So what are
So I say, bra, in top spot, some of us we are confused, we just want to unless say you don't, of course, and it's fine if you don't want to.
Process now and magic be and yes, so complicated. It's so simple.
Yeah, I'm just wondering now why I say
because as some our cast will say so the not say I don't know because as of that can also be any it's some
make catch those emissions.
I say you beside way I was saying that TikTok on the I say I can't wait you beside me.
Yeah, make sure on say me pass me and you scratch them. Obia or said you see fast or any. Oh, I had no maybe call me who Richard in Richard in my bar so. And I'm also moved separately. Me answer in your mama.
I saw one you be question because that's all I say as a educated into no ones are you also wouldn't him giving us say you be and on my be question say yes will be a buy and be question because that's all the way I present yourself
because
I say you have knowledge about certain things into now
that's why people so knowledge about it me and you may be who him dear or semi because who go school you are schooling here and many things are more knowledge here than inti Mami Musa will say possible say any reject marriage certificate in Ghana now. What is the reason?
Reasons there it could be money. A bit my boss.
A binidie.
I'm becking. Either say your friend say you beat me. I'm talking about possibilities. I mean, can't say yes how.
Yeah, I think because the possibilities.
So,
yeah.
What do you want Ghana? A bit my boss say you beat my manipulative system no. Possible.
Okay.
A bit me so about say. Nipa no ono so this certificate ni kono so also manipulate certificate no.
Okay, possible.
Possible. So, inti e bit me so about say time where the man nipa no so where ni so. So, enu nti na sa o kan niam na sisu o kan niam na sisu a make an say wo ye Germany na say Ghana system any would deal no unfairly. German embassy the
authentication did not make the Ghana evidence.
You know, authentication as such as a idea in any papa and a on authentication. Authentic authentic if another word for authentic originality.
But also then authentication.
The word authentication is generated from the word authentic. So because idea authentic as such as idea original edimu papa. So because idea no authentic as such as idea inimu fake. This is what it means. We simple a common dictionary knowledge.
Yeah. So me pacho in other words.
Top spot. Pacho say who can say who certificate now who to me ko e ma ye print no. Asem bi so buy na echiri madwen e bi ni say dey na mo worry ye no. Say yemfa ni say Kwame e na ye supervisor no e na Kwame sign here and a Otronidia. And ye be say we request for a new one. Kwame na signature na there was one say Nipana currently or honor and then the signature there was.
So the old one year copy amount. And yeah, you young could design be before be and could treat beautiful be amount. That one no honor and one year the amount. Me pacho mo taking notice wa samra woda so wa ware mu no ye the marriage certificate no ngwa na be ma unye jai aware no anaze mu jai divorce abeka ho so mo jai wie no divorce certificate ni de be ma so eche bebre na akwa request ya ye ma document That document ya kyerɛ wo ada wo de kɔ aware mu ɛne ada wo de fra aware mu. That's it.
Me nti na me bisa sa ne say na judge ne say court cases ni NDA no amanfo for judgment na ebi mo say judge na kyerɛ wo mo say fair certificate no or say certificate no supervisors na omo ye aware no old one no ekuta different say na omo store di ba ko bi ba ye na almost see David one san cover for promote again. And the second one no me almost body Germany for the body nipa na the signature what as here no the title na me TikTok so go almost bubo nipa ni di but no more patches say document 2 no ekuta different bundes one different name nti na me bisa no
Now once I said no one can normally unim answer not that. Sure. Unim answer not that. I will say
because me you know
I said Mamimusa question.
Now as we one can what can we
I said Mamimusa question way. Say marriage certificate in Germany is only one place in Kwana Abitimakoya, and I say different places.
No, sir, at a bit depends. Be a fan say what in Hamburg. And oh yeah.
Matthias, yes, be a fan say, ye could be a high court, for example, say the baby tree, no. As I say high court to be the whole country in America, say be a Hamburg, Berlin, or wherever, the same place, and I say be a Metima could be a high court Aquagia, na circuit court Aquagia, na different places Aquagia, and I say just only one place.
No, not just only one place. So we took all different jurisdictions.
Matthias, yeah, me fancy me were Hamburg, Hamburg High Court, me were Bremen, me Bremen High Court.
See me.
And I say Metima could be a Bremen, be a council, what could you son and person?
I say about now.
The new certificate over. It's a high court to the new certificate. Marriage certificate over.
See me.
Me person watch this.
I think so. Our system, no bit me baby, it's just like everywhere. I mean, that's what that would like.
Then say na make say me wali is pain better hono. So wali ya baby a ukoye no omo frɛ already start of the civil there baby. Ohon kwa na utim kwa gisa marriage certificate no. Ukoye uyi wadi na omo boy ya mbetwe original marriage certificate or any ba ko na de ma no pepe se de na wo kan. Na e de ama wo. Senga echa ne bibia wo already nti de ya de ma me first day no. Eno na me call bia me betima kwaji be 3. But difference difference bia ni ba ko no. But
yes. Eno ya yet say Ghana say me need to pa na wo ko ware ye no. Say ope another copy and answer ope yi or one na say wo ko. Unti bi ko free akra unkocha kraji enkoka so me koji copy bia bi mo just say wo ko be bia ware ye na.
But because Ghana any federal state. Ghana any federal state. Germany had your federal state. I said
Spain so your federal state.
Nyanto mame. Omo aha no ma centralized system no. Baby a obeku ya. Once abe rush standards amt no. Marriage marriage center or marriage authorities of on. Wo be catch almost say bia is hana metie wa sure proof say ampa area hana wo ti ampa. This our district now wo ti mu no. E ho na wo be ko. No wa be request for a marriage certificate. Mo bo a de na wo bia na wo na me fans bia na wo ti no. Wo ko ware ye no. The same certificate umbe yama wa ha because oma centralize no. Inti wunya sa obekọ sa akru na okoware wo mu no just be a different country sana net here.
Okay, my say musa question it's possible say bia matu kwan me wo marriage certificate wo ma wale wo Germany metima ko bia German ambassador bia wo Senegal akwaji the same marriage certificate ni bi ho.
And of course, normally it's an here. Young van is Omoma Bahana. Omoma Bahana, Memphis Lipan or Italian. So Omom could Italian passport. What about Germany? No passport worry. Well, young country was back to Italy, baby. Now, what's the answer? My amenity and on a cockroach document. You call Italian embassy or Germany. Or more and a bay's argument in your mouth. So that is how it works.
Unless I say we nanka simple.
You know, make us a simple.
Okay, me that's it.
Once me catch us right from beginning. When you say what problem now want to face here, go to German embassy. We are German.
Sorry, I'm in trouble. We are just a German embassy with my marriage certificate.
Yeah, of course.
I don't think so. It's just,
it is not about things.
But we are not talking about marriage certificate. We are not talking about marriage certificate.
No, I think that.
Wait.
No, I think our content may clarify. So it shows a marriage certificate. It doesn't busan.
No, if I am possible, only Amazon to omit me and be omupebia. Because only a crony near communicate with us.
Because they are.
It's not even just that. It's not just
German.
US stay, who could baby now you're US citizen, Rana, who could do now passport, what to make US embassy will grow now, passport, Irano.
Yes.
That's right. Embassies no for war as a Germany. Say German embassy or for you in any circumstances. Baby too, and everything you, why you even cry, you're short of money, or embassy ever wow. More if it's any antique room ha, and a plain issue we buy. COVID issue we. German and Bezulim said was a bois. One cast a German for Mudi speak from back to Germany. So they do that.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. On a basic way, say advice, travel advice, those things.
No, it is not basic.
No, but that's the reason why they even give you a passport. Because that passport, they don't just give to Obia Keke. Before Obia citizen neighbor passport, it means it's a omajo. So we ye chromo honi, and so whatever we hear biano, because obi ninkrata wa America say ya want to be sorry nko embassy say BBC ni but me one krata wa chrome has say ya I have every right to say the na bra na wo ka say ye Ghana for yanka me patch or had ye onim stand the right what in the bonkum the way obi what Wukrana would see account and any probably so asem no. A friend say what's it called? Attitude debia because on himself on no ye chrome has any into that the odeba beji ade no krano wo kra be so be catch American ni say bibini that on him say and the right so now we be refuse no. And they say we are now for a bag no you know
no
if you are I'm sorry.
Question I may clarify. Or judgment now was say uncle standards somewhere here or Burnham was a hand because embassies they have a role to play. I mean we can make those inquiries. In fact, they wrote a letter to the embassy say among inquiries say where our system so Maori. I think say the one of the lawyer no can look the other one.
So they inquired from the embassy, right?
They make inquiries, yes. But the direction was
because she's a German citizen.
That's not a problem.
Make that inquiries, no. Now when you and into as a German citizen, no, nanka or every right to say or beko embassy or wherever.
No. It's not me clarify. Embassy there we know the rules of embassy. Embassy nanka the crowd in home. Not judge in the crack. Okay, I say on cost then me Germany. Also on cost. Burnham or standards Burnham was saying that's where the certificate was issued.
Magacho say the German embassy they are there to provide their citizens every service. Because many almost maybe every service.
I'm speaking from court document, but let me clarify. Okay, I'm not speaking from.
I don't know your court document, but I'm talking.
May can't judgment in American America.
Both on the
may clarify. Listen, there were one or two things. I didn't want to. Just trying to clarify. So,
Nuremberg na ekwakoje Fada na. Na the judge no accept ya. Who as a German citizen no, you can lodge a complaint. Our German embassy, they will help you.
Proving foreign document no, quite prove okay, and no. The judge no, catch uncle standards some Boham. Now almost satisfied. We are.
But what stopped there though? What stopped there from going to?
1 minute. I'm not pretending. Listen, Mama,
to authenticate the
certificate. Let me clarify the process that the court require from her. What I'm saying is that
assume you have clarified what the Ghana court said.
Hold on. They say the process. They say go to Birmingham was the hand. Send us a certified copy. After that, Ghana embassy or Germany. I say Ghana embassy or German embassy or Ghana, and I say Ghana embassy or Ghana, or say Ghana embassy or consulate or Germany. Normally certified. That was the requirement. So far as the certification was concerned, that's what the judge wanted her to do. Until I'm being clarified. Okay. Until I'm in better business.
Now that you have entered into technicalities now, what is an embassy?
Embassy, a crew, a country within a country, basically. Okay. Embassy, a country within a country.
What is the if the embassy is called German embassy? What does it mean?
What I'm saying, I'm speaking from the court.
Specific.
Hold on. Listen. I am speaking the direction that was given. Listen, I'm speaking from the direction that was given by the judge. The procedures of an America. I'm quoting. Okay, listen. Yes. Hold on.
If the embassy
hold on. I'm not debating with you. But say the direction was go to the German how to prove foreign documents, which was using the Evidence Act. So uncle German embassy consulate, be a boss, I think so a registrar. And Birmingham country or a county here, baby crowd or register the marriage now. Because I think that was what was the certificate on the coin. Uncle certified or more certified. We are often called Ghana embassy or Germany. Okay, that was it. Ghana embassy or German. Got from Ghana embassy or Ghana, and as be a German embassy or Ghana, or say often called German.
Exactly, you're right.
You have to. I'm quoting what the judge said. It's not what. What is it?
We've heard you.
That was it.
But what prevented them from doing that?
That is not my problem. I'm only clarifying the listen. The honor the animal said we clarify the process that judge no.
We've heard you. That's we've heard.
The okay nyana yati ase. But wo na want to be ase wa ha. A German embassy, a crew. Whatever come from German embassy, no, it is like say waji sa and Yemen every crew so. So wo as a person no, we are Germany no. Se bibi extra woso won't nya. You go with the document na court no de ma wono to the German embassy. German embassy ebitimi aboa mo nya all these documents. E dia ye de esa wo de ye. Now what the banner saving case no kwa get worse. German embassy entra ho ma ne citizen. Won deceive no da. I'm telling you.
Some American, you won't get it. I'm talking about
job stop. May say from the documents that they have, they went some almost visa that kind of requirement. The woman went to German embassy in Ghana and they wrote a letter. And the German chancellor was almost the secretary and certified said it is a certificate and it is valid in Germany. Even that, the judge said she didn't pass the certificate through Ghana embassy in Germany. Oh my dear,
exactly.
I'm really sure. And yes, I've been following this case and I read the document and the stuff. Mameno, And you know what? They even mentioned, they showed the letter and the copy of it and mentioned the lady, the person who signed it in Ghana, German embassy in Ghana. But the judge said she wanted them to pass the document through Ghana embassy in Germany.
Yeah, that's the requirement.
Charlotte now,
That is the requirement.
but I mean, they were just saying, say, oh, my wife, like one of the lawyer, my friend, on the trade, okay, I'm close by. But what I want to make Asana now try to come, I was just quoting what the procedure now, judge, no require. As I said, German embassy, our Ghana, Germany, which I know, on ground, I don't mean superior because there's a sovereign state. International culture was the embassy, a country within country. Okay, diplomatic immunity, any sovereignty. Etina so obi kodi bone na so siki immunity otimi biane ko embassy intimi ko arrest no even though wo krom na because ahono you hunu say your mind a different country. Okay, but all my direction the judgment was say on fan course a standards them all boham non fan ko we on fan ko Ghana embassy or Germany, no certified. That is just the requirement, the legal requirement.
Exactly. It's just a requirement.
Because that's the Evidence Act, that's what he required. Okay. When I was speaking from the court was said, and not what I think. Until I made person clarifying, Sean.
But the required 3 times.
Thank you,
telling
Future.
you, say, the fastest way to go to heaven is to pass the whole thing through the German embassy.
And now, woman, and I'm silent and now, my American Hubi. And now, what you say, or trail to the German embassy in Ghana. They just responded, say, yes, or my that was something like that. I've seen that document once. Okay, because it was my friend who wrote it. Okay, and you know that's what I'm saying.
I know they when I walk.
Future NPA, my future NP. Remember the part I used to questions.
No, you cannot. I had an I answer questions here all the time. It's no problem.
My future MP. My future MP.
I'm listening.
Me paucho, me that case we on. Me ya wo me mu. Me to be honest, me ya say they are going through all this.
Eti san komo no akoso ni nyinada ene akwa kotie bi no ene first time am besrew so be subscribe wi a mabọ homode no follow yen or other social media platforms nyina so eguso Daily Gossip TV follow yen na share videos fa am between Queen and Roman Fada and then Odo Bronii who is winning na hwan so na elusu makram.